How's it going, everybody? Just got a new delivery today, the Galaxy S23 Plus. So we are going to check it out and see what comes in the package. Okay. First thing is always a little Samsung packet. Has the quick start guide in different languages, charging wire, and your SIM key. Let's get going. And here is the beautiful phone. I don't know why I was expecting more lenses, but that's plenty. It is a beautiful looking phone. Stay tuned for different videos about this new phone.